like a monkey and laugh, laugh, laugh. Go play at the zoo.
Oh, clue. Right there. Our first clue is a box. But then we look inside. You won't believe our handy dandy notebook, which I keep inside my pocket. Okay.
Listen to the music and get on your feet.
Let's draw.
I'm a very friendly parrot, chatting out loud for all to hear.
And two lines going down.
Orange.
A box. So, where could the key to our trunk be with a box? But I
Up
think we should
and
probably
down.
What's going on, Mrs. Pepper?
Listen to the music and get on your feet. Move like the animals, stomp your feet. One like a penguin, stretch up tall like a giraffe. Dance like a monkey and laugh, laugh, laugh.
I'm a very friendly parrot, chatting out loud for all to hear. Blow out the candles.
Bye-bye.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're having a birthday full of applause. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Maybe there are seeds inside one.
Blow out the candles.
So, which of these things do you think has seeds inside? The lettuce, the apple, the cottage cheese, or the milk? Ding. Mrs. Pepper, we think it's the apple.
Push the star button to light the candles.
Your final answer?
1,
Yes.
That is
Two.
the answer.
2 candles.
Apples have
Birthday
little
time.
seeds inside.
Sing along.
That's why this apple belongs on the seed shelf.
Mrs. Pepper, would you show us our second shelf?
The candle.
Here you'll find a shelf that is filled with things that have the color red.
Which one of these young answers belongs on the red the red shelf.
Happy birthday.
I don't know. Mr. Salt, I think I'd like to ask a friend. Go right ahead, Steve. Okay, so I don't see the color red on any of these things, but maybe one of them has the color red inside it. So, which of these things do you think has the color red inside? The watermelon, the mustard, the cucumber, or the cantaloupe?
The watermelon.
The watermelon. Good thinking. Ding! We think it's the watermelon. The watermelon. You got it!
Good job.
Hey, look at the color red inside the watermelon. Let's put it on the red shelf.
Are you ready for your third and final shelf?
Yes, Mrs. Pepper. We're ready.
Mr. Salt, would you show us?
You paused Blue's Clues.
Yes, Mrs. Pepper. We're ready.
Mr. Salt, would you show us the third shelf, please?
Aha! This is the shelf where we keep things that have liquids inside. Things that move like water.
Now, which one of these lovely items belongs on the liquid shelf?
Wow. Which one of these things do you think has liquid inside it? Maybe. But it's just so hard to tell just by looking. Ooh. Mrs. Pepper, I think we'd like to try shaking these things.
Judges,
It's okay.
So, which of these things do you think has liquid or something that moves like water inside it? The box, the bread, the carob pod, or the coconut?
The coconut.
Coconut? Ding! Mrs. Pepper, we're gonna go with the coconut.
the coconut it is.
All right.
Yes! Look at that. Coconuts have liquid inside of them.
That's why the coconut belongs on the liquid shelf.
You have answered all 3 questions.
We did it. We did it!
Here's your prize.
Hope you like it.
Bye.
We want a paper bag. Cool! Maybe there's something inside. I'm so excited I can hardly look. Okay, here goes.
A glue.
Yeah, I know. This is a big moment.
See, that's a clue.
What, you see a clue? Oh! Look at that! Every time we open this bag, we see a clue. I guess open is our second clue. What a cool prize. You know what we need? Our handy dandy. Nope. So, to help
Pretty
make it
girl.
open, let's make curved lines opening out with triangles on the end for arrows.
How big is Scarlett?
We're trying to find the key to our trunk.
How big is Scarlett?
What was our first clue?
How big?
A box. Right.
How big is Scarlett?
The clue is open.
How big?
So, where do you think the key is with a box and open?
How big is Scarlett?
Maybe. But I
How
think we
big?
can find our third clue, just to be sure. And then we can find our key to open our own trunk and see what's inside.
How big is Scarlett? Yeah, that big.